Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Easy Way. My name is Abhilasha Sharma, and as I've told you yesterday that I'll be making a video on mensuration today. So here I am. Today we'll talk about uh, some formulas of mensuration because it is based on formulas, and the questions which comes in exam, the SSC CGL Tier-II, will be concept based. You just have to understand the question, apply the right formulas. You have to imagine the figure. You have to make the figure, apply the concept, apply the formulas, and the answer will come. It is not that tough. Okay, so today we'll be talking about prisms and pyramids. Okay, because there's a lot of confusion between prisms and pyramids. I would like to clear this confusion. And now let's go ahead. So, prism, what is a prism? Prism is basically a figure in which a set of equal straight lines are drawn between two surfaces. That means any figure in which there are two surfaces, top and bottom, lines are drawn, a set of equal straight lines are drawn this is the top surface of a cube, and this is the bottom surface. Okay, so this is top and this is bottom, and these are a set of equal straight lines which are joining the two surfaces. So a cube is a prism because it is joined by a set of straight lines. Okay, similarly, a cuboid is also joined by a set of equal straight lines. Its top and its bottom are joined by equal straight lines. So cuboid can be also called a prism. And the third example is a cylinder. These are two equal straight lines. This is the top, this is the bottom, and the top is also a circle, the bottom is also a circle. So a cylinder can be also called a prism. So what I'll do is I will not as also So what we'll talk about today is, as I told you, we'll discuss prism and pyramids. So right now I'm doing prisms. So in prism we'll talk about three shapes, three 3D figures: cube, cuboid, and the cylinder. And we'll talk about their volume, curved surface area, and the total surface area of these figures. So I'll not be telling you 9 formulas for these 3 figures to remember. What I'll do is I will tell you the basic formula for any prism of volume, curved surface, and total surface. So you just have to remember those 3 formulas, and then you can make formulas of these figures on your own. Okay, so let us start first with the volume. The formula for volume of prism is area of base into height. Okay, this is the basic formula, the base formula that you have to remember. And then you can make formulas for these. Like for a cube, you can make the formula, the area of base. And okay, for these formulas also, you have to remember the basic formula, very basic, like of 2D figures. Like you should know the area of square, the area of a rectangle, the area of a circle. Okay, that's all. This the circumference of a circle. Only these very basic formulas which you learned in very small classes. So first is cube. So as the base formula says, area of base into height. What is the area of base of a cube? The base of a cube is a square. So what is the area of a square? It is side into side. Okay. Then into height. So the height of a square is also its side. Right. So we can either write h or s. So here it comes, s cube is a formula of volume of a cube. Similarly, a cuboid, area of base. The base of a cuboid is a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is L into B, length into breadth, into height. So this is volume of a cuboid. Now cylinder. The base of a cylinder is a circle. So area of circle is pi r square into height. So pi r square h is the area of volume of a cylinder. See, it was so easy. You just have to remember this formula for volume and these three formulas. You can make on your own: cuboid, and cylinder. The next one is the curved surface area. So as in the case of volume, there's a base formula for curved surface area, and that is perimeter of base into height. Okay, so using this base formula, we can find the curved surface area of a cube. Perimeter of base, that means perimeter of square, which is 4 into side, into s is equal to h in case of cube, so into s, so 4 side square. Okay, next is cuboid. Perimeter of base, perimeter of a rectangle, 2 into L plus B into H. Okay, simple, yeah. Cylinder, perimeter of base. So perimeter of base of a cylinder is a circle, so 2 pi r, that is the circumference of circle, into H. 2 pi r H. Okay, so volume and curved surface area, very easy to remember these base formulas. Area of base into height for volume, and curved surface area is perimeter of base into height. So next we come to total surface area. Total surface area, the base formula is curved surface area, we also call it CSA, plus 2 into area of both end surface. That means area of top and bottom. Okay, like here. Top, area of top and bottom. Till now we were taking the area of only base, but now we'll take area of top also. So first figure is cube. Curved surface area was cube was 4 side square. So we'll add 2 into area of both end surface. So that means 2 into side square. 2 is for one is top and the second one is bottom, so that it is 2 for the both. And area of square is s side square, so 2s square. So 4s square plus 2s square is equal to 6s square. This is the total surface area of cube. Next is cuboid. So curved surface area of cuboid was 2 into L plus B into H plus 2 into L into B, which is the area of a rectangle. L into B is area of rectangle. Okay, so the formula comes out to be 2 into L plus B into H plus 2LB. Okay, now cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder was 2 pi r h plus 2 into area of circle, because the top and bottom surface of a cylinder is circle, so 2 pi r square. If we take 2 pi r common, this is the formula. Okay, so I hope you got it. So I told you 3 basic formulas. I will just rephrase those 3 formulas for volume, for CSA, and for TSA. Volume, area of base into height. Curved surface area, perimeter of base into height, and total surface area is CSA plus 2 into area of both end surface. Okay, so these formulas are for a prism. Now we'll talk about pyramids. So let's get to the pyramids. So pyramid is any figure which is pointed from the top and flat at the surface. Okay, and pyramid is a 3-dimensional figure. Cone is also a 3-dimensional figure. So we'll talk about pyramid and cones today. Okay, so let us start with this one. A pyramid can have different shapes of its surface. It can have rectangular surface, it can have a triangular surface, it can have a square surface. So I made here triangular surface pyramid and a rectangular surface pyramid, and this is a cone. Okay. So in cone there is a slant height, there is a radius, this is the height, and this height which is slanting is the slant height, which is denoted by L. Okay, similarly in a pyramid also there is a slant height, there is a height, and there is a base which is the side of the surface. Okay, now let's talk about the basic formulas of pyramid and cone. This basic formula will apply to both pyramid and cone. So first one is volume. For volume, the base formula is 1 upon 3 into area of base into height. Okay, so for cone, first 1 upon 3 into area of base. The base of a cone is a circle, so area of circle is pi r square into height h. So 1 by 3 pi r square h is the volume of a cone. Now let's come to pyramid. 1 upon 3 into base area. Okay, so in a pyramid it depends what is the base. If the base is a square, then area of square. If the base is a triangle, area of triangle. If the base is a rectangle, area of rectangle. So I'll write here area of base into h. Yes, that is height. I'll give you an example. Like suppose we take a pyramid with square base. Okay, so this is a pyramid with square base. So what will the formula for this pyramid? 1 upon 3 into area of square. Let us suppose the side of this square is b. So b square into, this is h, into h. So it will be 1 upon 3 b square h. Okay, I hope you understood. So if it will be a triangular base, area of triangle, that is 1 upon 2 into base into height. Okay, similarly for a rectangle, it is L into B, 1 upon 3 into L into B into H. Okay, yeah. So next we'll come to the curved surface area. I'll write here CSA. The formula for CSA is 1 upon 2 into perimeter of base into slant height. For a cone, it will be 1 upon 2 into perimeter of base, that is a circle, so 2 pi r into slant height. If in the question only height is given, you have to find the slant height in that case. So Pythagoras theorem will be applied here. So suppose L is the slant height, so L will be equal to h square plus r square. R is the radius, h is the height. Okay, so 1 upon 2 into perimeter of base, that is 2 pi r into slant height, which is L. So 2 and 2 is cancelled. Curved surface area of cone is pi r L. For a pyramid, 1 upon 2 into perimeter of base, again it depends. I'm taking for a square, so perimeter of a square is 4s into slant height. For the slant height of a pyramid, what you have to do is you don't have to take the whole side of the base. You don't have to take the full base. You have to divide the base into half. Okay, and h square. This is the slant height of pyramid. This is the slant height of cone into slant height. So 2SL. Okay, S, I've taken the side of the square base of the pyramid. Next one is total surface area. The formula is CSA plus area of base cone. The CSA of cone is pi RL. Area of base is pi r square. So if we take pi r common, this is the total surface area of a cone. And for a pyramid, CSA, that is 2SL plus area of base, again if it is a square, so square. This is the total surface area of a pyramid. Alright, so I have told you today about prism and pyramid. A prism is any figure which is joined by set of straight lines from top to bottom. And pyramid is any figure which has a flat surface but a pointed top. Okay, so I told you 3 basic formulas for prisms that you have to remember, and the 3 figures are cube, cuboid, okay, and cylinder. So you can apply that basic formula in these 3 and you'll get the formulas automatically. You don't have to learn each formula separately. The next one was pyramid and cone. Again, 3 basic formulas. You don't have to learn 6 formulas, you have to learn just 3. This is all for today. In my next video, I'll talk about some more figures for mensuration. So please subscribe to my channel. If you liked my video, please like, and please do comment. Give me some suggestions if you like the video, what you didn't like, what you want more in the video. Please let me know. I'll be really thankful to you. Okay, thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel and please share this video. Thank you.